any Google AdSense to add your particular blog websites. One AdSense you can add the multiple blog website. One AdSense you can add the multiple blog website. So each blogger select your open. In this, select by anything your particular option. So I'm selecting for in this blog, Mr. Pradeep. This you can go for option is called earning. So earning will be disabled for suppose that is called no update for your blogger and the second thing is the existing will be not done by 3 months or 6 months. Now click for sign up for AdSense. N number of bloggers you can apply by the Google AdSense. Simple step. Go to blogger dashboard, go to earnings, sign up your Google AdSense. Select your email. Now we go to the AdSense. Accept association. Accept by the association. Now click for redirect. And after that, go to back. In the option call is select your this code. Every AdSense will be one universal code will be there. Copy this universal code. Select your blogger dashboard. Theme. Edit HTML. In header part, select your code. Click for save it. It will be activation done by maximum 3 to 7 working days. After that, will showing on the Google AdSense list. Google AdSense list. So this is called audio applicable by the blog website. In one Google AdSense, you can add the multiple websites.